somehow politics and religion are the two. They could be really beautiful, but when they become ugly, everything just, they ruin everything. These are the two things that I think we all need to think, especially in this country, and especially now at this juncture, it has become most important. And I guess the next election in this country is probably one of the most crucial ones. You have a topic there in your debate also. So I think one has to, whereas this is so beautiful what Saurabh said, there is no winner in a war. We all lose. So we are losing big time in this country actually. And we, I think, are a very impulsive nation. Everything is so impulsive. एक फिल्म जरा सी हिट होती है तो वो path breaking फिल्म हो जाती है. एक इलेक्शन में जरा सा कुछ होता है तो लगता है क्रांति हो जाएगी. So one needs to really slow down and really relax, not relax in that sense, but really think about what's going on. And I think the most wonderful thing that could happen to anyone is that when one realizes that actually, अगर देखा जाए, तो हम सब एक ही तो हैं यार. सबके आंसू उसी कलर के हैं, ब्लड भी लाल है. So what difference does it make if someone is a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Buddhist or whatever? The divide of that in this nation is just so terrible, and this is symbolized. Kashmir symbolizes all that. So I hope we have achieved something through this film, and I think Saurabh and Saurabh especially has contributed so hugely to this film that I just saw the latest cut of this film and I was moved. Generally, it's very difficult as an actor to like yourself on screen because you always find something that is bad about you. You never like yourself, right? But this is the first time that the way Saurabh has put everything together, it just touches you somewhere. So I hope if it touches everyone, it will be a wonderful thing. Thanks.
Hi everyone, good afternoon guys. Hi. A very good question. I was actually about to come to that only. Maybe the first film hai, so I didn't actually focus too much on issues and these and those things. I was more focused on my character. कि character अच्छे से करूँ, debut कर रहा हूँ तो लोगों को पसंद आए. There were these senior artists to take care of the script, situation, the movie is going correct or no. The director was wonderful. So I can only speak more about what I did in the movie and what the movie is all about. In fact, what it's all about, वही लोग बोल चुके हैं. So for me, it was like an awesome experience because, like I said, debut था. I was focusing on my character, and this character is like one amongst you all. He's a student. He's preparing for Administrative Services exam of Kashmir. He wants to become a Gazette officer because Gazette officers get posted anywhere in India. So उसका aim था कि let's just move out of this territory which is so terror prone, get a better life and move out. And how, because of all this social networking sites, Facebook and all, he gets involved with a friend and gets into a trap. And who is right, who is wrong? What is the solution to this problem? He gets involved and entangled in all that. Now at the end, whether he comes out or no, वो आप लोग फिल्म में देखना. But the good thing was that we haven't really focused on terrorism. We are focused on common people in this film. I don't think they have shown even a single terrorist in the movie. We've just shown that how common people get affected by that, and that too in a humorous way. जैसे सौरभ सर का रोल है, विपिन सर का रोल है. When we see them, जब हम सड़क पर एक पुलिस ऑफिसर को देखते हैं, somewhere down the line we get a chill down our spine कि भैया क्या हमें नहीं रोक ले किसी चीज के लिए, checking and all that. But we don't realize that they are also human beings. They have their families, they have their own problems, which is what has been portrayed in this film. They are not really strict people. They are just doing their duties, which also probably they're doing half-heartedly, or they really don't want to do it also. But करना पड़ रहा है because duty है तो करना पड़ रहा है. Especially जो ब्रिजेंद्र कादा जी है, उनका तो रोल यही है कि उनको ये ड्यूटी करनी भी नहीं है, but he's stuck up. And that's how the movie goes ahead. And what is the solution to this? We have tried to kind of find a breakthrough part. I wouldn't say it's a proper solution, but just an initiative to let people think we can do this and make Kashmir a more peaceful and a better place. We can make it the heaven it was, the paradise it was. And that's why we've come over here and we're promoting the film in the same way that we want opinions of everybody, of course, but more specifically the younger lot, because they're going to take care of the nation in the coming few years. So how they think they can improve the situation in Kashmir, because the youngsters out there, like Vipin sir and Saurabh sir said, कि एक spot boy था who was like a double MA. I mean, imagine अगर हमारे यहाँ किसी की वो डिग्री हो तो what we would do? क्या हम जाके McDonald's में सर्विंग करेंगे, KFC में सर्विंग करेंगे? I don't think so. In fact, we would not do anything, any job which is less than the esteem that we have for the job. Saying कि नहीं, I'm overqualified for this. But out there, people do it. So you can imagine the situation out there. So I think we all should work towards it. Not only Kashmir, of course, the whole country to improve it, but the film is focused on Kashmir, and I hope everyone sees the movie, likes it. It's a humble attempt, sincere attempt towards sensible cinema, and I'm looking for best wishes from all of you all. So please, thank you.
He's told you everything about my role, so I don't need to say much, except for the fact that when we went into Kashmir, and the script we went in with, and the film we went in with, and what it eventually became in Kashmir was a difference of a day and night. As far as my character is concerned, as Saurabh rightfully said, that the film truly symbolizes dark humor. And I would say in one line that if you really want to understand the essence of the film, imagine a situation so sad that it actually becomes funny. And that's what this film is. There's the sadness of the cops, of the victims, of the people who live there, and we see it through the eyes of the protagonist who goes from outside of Kashmir into Kashmir. And you laugh because it's that sad. And yet you feel like, you know, what are these people saying? They're not out there to make you cry, but they're out there to ignite this sense of awareness, like, look at what we're going through. As far as I'm concerned, I haven't done too much work, but I can openly say that this is my favorite film experience of my new beginning career thus far. And I owe that to two people predominantly. First, Rahat Kazmi, the director of the film. I think the most friendly and actor-friendly director that I've worked with. He allows you to grow, and you know, the process is very organic. It's not a rigid, this is your spot, this is the line, this is how I want it. He lets the actor grow. But after him, what Saurabh did to me and some of the other actors in the film was taking it to a whole different level. I've trained in New York 3 years as an actor, but 15 days with Saurabh Shukla beat those 3 years. And I think you all will get a good crack out of the film. Do go watch it. We need your support. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's Manini Mishra. That's okay. Everybody said everything that could be said, and so beautifully and so lucidly. Saurabh ji, I have a grudge कि मैं आपके साथ नहीं शूट कर पाई, तो जो कुछ मेरे सीखने का हिस्सा था वो हो नहीं पाया, तो अगली फिल्म में शायद you'll give me an opportunity. जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, when I was approached for this film, the character was something that I immediately connected to. You know, head of a news agency who's constantly looking out for something that makes sense to her. She's aggressive, she's out there, and especially when it comes to Kashmir. I'll tell you honestly, Kashmir के बारे में हम जब बात करते हैं, as he rightly said, you know, it's got this dark image. But when you actually go there, you see the beauty and the simplicity in the people there. बहुत simple लोग हैं. और जब मैंने वहाँ के normal लोगों से बात करी, जो रास्ते पर रिक्शा ड्राइवर्स थे या you know, who would have little grocery shops, उनकी बात सुनकर मुझे इस बात का एहसास हुआ कि हम यहाँ बैठकर बड़ी-बड़ी strategies बनाते हैं, लेकिन हम उनकी छोटी-छोटी problems देख नहीं पाते. And honestly, this film is out to show you the little things that actually make so much of a difference. और जहाँ तक dark humor का सवाल है, you know, this is one of my favorite films. Why? Because I am a complete worshipper of dark humor. और जब आप humor को use करते हैं as your ammunition, I think you make the point straight to the heart. बहुत serious चीज को जब आप मजाकिया तौर से बोलते हैं, तो उसका जो hit होता है वो कुछ और होता है. It's absolutely amazing. You would have known that in your personal lives and relationships कि जब कोई serious बात बोलनी हो, मजाक में ताड़ करके तो और जो लगती है ना, उसका बहुत impact होता है. So I'm really hoping that after seeing this film, you're going to actually see what really is the situation. And we are not presenting some sad side of the story. We're just showing you people who go through their life in that place and how they live their life and how difficult it is, and yet how they manage to smile and live their lives. So please watch this movie. Give us your support. और सच बात ये है कि हम अपने घरों में सिर्फ अपने संसार, अपनी दुनिया को देखते हैं और अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को बड़ा समझते हैं. But if you actually start seeing people in that place, you do realize that they know how to live every minute of their life. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. Hi. First of all, ये फिल्म करने के लिए जब मेरे साथ राहत जी और सौरभ जी जैसे लोग होंगे तो फिल्म तो बनाना is one of the most easiest thing I do. मुझे तो as a producer कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. सब कुछ मुझे मतलब मिल गया प्लेटफॉर्म. सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट मुझे सब एक्टर्स के साथ मिला और बाकी फिल्म के बारे में सबने सब कुछ बोल ही दिया है. मैं जैसे हमेशा से मुझे बहुत शौक रहा है कि आई वांट टू गो अब्रॉड, वांट टू स्टे स्विट्जरलैंड. बहुत शौक था, लेकिन कश्मीर जाने के बाद आई थिंक मेरा ये ख्वाब पूरा हो गया. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. As far as the film is concerned, please come watch Identity Card and you will get the answer of all the questions, whatever is there in your mind, in your heart, everything. Thank you.
सुबह सुबह उठने को एनर्जी मिल जाए. सबसे मेन तो यही सुबह रहता है. क्या पूरा घर क्यों होता है? सुबह के ना सुबह ना कुछ भी पहले पानी भरने का टाइम हो या तो पानी नहीं भरते तो सुबह उठ के किधर चला. लेकिन भला बोला था सुबह सुबह एनर्जी आता है. सब मैं नीचे रहो रोटेट में ऐसे ही बोलो यहाँ पर हाँ जी सब लोग यहाँ पे देखो प्लीज. यस सर एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
I don't know where to look.
एक्सक्यूज मी. हाँ यहाँ पे देखिए एक्सक्यूज मी.
Ma'am, here. One more here.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Yeah, one more here.
excuse me, ma'am. Definitely. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, look here. Here.
Yeah, I think we'll enter as a team.
Sir, yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, here. Sir.
Sir, yes, sir. Excuse me, थोड़ा सा